Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to enable the Messenger chat head. Watch till the end to properly understand this tutorial. Long before Google launched notification bubbles in Android 11, Facebook offered a similar feature called chat heads in Messenger. Unlike Google's implementation, chat heads from Facebook Messenger can be used on previous Android versions such as Android 9 and 10. It's a requirement for everyone who uses the Messenger app frequently. If you're having difficulties using Messenger chat heads, then use these instructions to understand how to enable Messenger chat heads on Android. First, update your Messenger app if it's not updated. Then, open the phone settings. Tap on Notification and Status Bar. Then tap on App Notification Management. Scroll down, find the Messenger app, and tap on it. Again, scroll down. In the Activity Indicator section, tap on the chat head's active option. Turn on Allow Notifications. Now let's check if it works or not. We can see that it works. So this is how you can enable the Messenger chat head. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks.